Alrighty, hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is an educational channel, and we try to hook you up with some great theories and concepts and discoveries that you might not have known about because they've been suppressed. And these are things that you have to dig for, and that you are being dissuaded from accessing. Um, Probably because they are powerful in terms of their ability to accentuate your quest for better spiritual, mental, and physical health. And this is a segment that we have called the Q-tip of the spear, where I chop up some of the tip of the spear podcasts in the info war that I've been paying attention to, and um, you know, especially in reference to Q and the conspiracies, the info war in general, and yeah. So for today, and for the last month or thereabouts, I guess I had a schedule here, and that I think what I'm going to be talking about will be relevant um, in the future. And I'm just hoping it's not in the distant future. I'm hoping it's not years down the road, but it's just weeks or months down the road. Because if it's years down the road, then it's going to be, oh, well, this guy was talking about this. He warned about this, but now it happened. And so that will be too late. But hopefully, this will be something that will be paid attention to and made relevant in due time, in time, so that it can be dealt with. And then it will be, oh well, this guy was talking about this, and um, then this guy talked about it, and then this person talked about it, and then they eventually did something about it, and um, that would be a recipe for success. But what it is that um, at this point in the info war, the die is cast. The Patriots have won the war. Um, there's a lot of mopping up that needs to be done, and there's some reenactments that need to be shown, and there's a lot of dramas that have to play out because there are several different audiences involved here, and one of them are really hard to wake up because they've got like heavy duty cognitive dissonance along with a lot of TDS, and so they're pretty dug in to the point of view that they have, and they really have to be kind of like ejected out of their roots before they can figure out that something's going on. And so the info war has gotten increasingly and increasingly stupid and absurd and obvious and just blatant um, for these people. It's not for us, but we continue to pay attention to it, and that's part of the problem. Now we can keep one eye on it, but our other eye and our focus should be on redeployment, because beating the globalists is only the first step, and it's only really the first layer of the globalists because unfortunately they have installed a number of Trojan horses inside of all of us. Our habits and conditionings, belief systems, holy books, classic books, um, our civilizational ideals and values are all infected with deep state, cabal, globalist propaganda and ideology. And so we think we've broken free, but we haven't, because we've only kind of red pilled ourselves back through the 20th, 21st, and 20th centuries. And so all of the earlier heritage that we inherit um, is infected with uh, deep state ideology, because because the deep state has been in control since day one on the planet. So everything that we've ever learned and everything that we've ever valued um, is most likely coming from them, including all the technology. Um, and so we're going to end up propagating that um, to other to everyone. If we have defeated the globalists and we are now in control, then we are now in charge, and we're going to implement our agenda. But if our agenda is infested with deep state propaganda, then we still lose. So it's incumbent upon us at this point right now to redeploy and get ourselves together. There's a bunch of more layers of red pilling that need to be done before we get to any type of implementation stage. And we have the time to do it, okay? But it needs to get going. But, there's a lot of videos on this channel that will red pill your socks off. Um, and there's many other sources that I have also talked about on this channel that can red pill your socks off. Um, just going back further and further into the past, and going into areas of your beliefs, your conditionings, your ideals, your holidays, your rituals, your habits, um, or lack thereof. And these are all the things that you need to scrutinize. Are these is this a real thing, or am I buying into some BS? Where did this come from? Who who'd I get it from? Where did I learn this? Not does it make me feel good, or not do I have good memories about this, or did this help me get a better job, or get um, a better a better career, or a better house, or a better family? All of these questions are not relevant. The questions that are relevant is this true or not? Did this really happen, or am I believing in something that didn't really happen? Um, and is this, healthy, or is this really killing me slowly? These are questions that have to be asked. And if your thing, whatever it is, if it passes the test, well, then you can hold on to it, at least tentatively. But I would suggest that it's not going to pass muster. And then we have to go to what is going to pass muster. I, you know, believe uh, Buddhism in terms of meditation, in terms of giving you maps to understand what's going on during your meditation. With the meditation, this is not a belief system, this is a science. This is something that can be replicated over and over again. But also deism, of the belief in one God who is good, who has given beings the um, faculties that they need to understand God directly through the laws of physics and geometry and math, the beauty of the cosmos and nature, and the workings of the cosmos and nature, and that those things enable us to be able to understand God directly without needing to resort to the pulpit, the priests, pastors, and popes of the pulpits, and the testaments and Qurans of old that are translated over and over again, and um, taken totally out of context. Their histories are veiled by the shrouds of time, and they were psyops to begin with. And so these are not suitable to go forward. And if we do go forward on this basis, it is, I would say, almost inevitable that we will repeat the mistakes of the past, um, which are witch burnings and things like that. Okay, like, share, subscribe, comment, and contribute. And come back tomorrow for another episode of the Q-tip of the spear. A few more videos on this channel as well later today. So thanks for tuning in and have a great day.